maybe this is magic. Maybe
Yes, it's just the
thanks to
beginning of
the
magic.
yeah. And I feel that, it is a miracle since morning. Otherwise, okay, then I haven't even steamed.
That's it.
I mean, okay, then I do those exercises. I haven't even done that. Those blowing exercises, I haven't done those. I mean,
Okay.
it just didn't click to me कि मुझे करना है वो.
बहुत ज्यादा इम्प्रूवमेंट है उसको. इतना एनर्जी इतना नहीं था ना, उतना एनर्जी अभी मेरे को 2 दिन में दिख रहा है. वो सुबह से वो कर रही है एक्सरसाइज खाली पेट, और फिर क्लास के पहले भी मैं उससे करवाती हूँ ना, तो बहुत ज्यादा इम्प्रूवमेंट.
वेरी गुड, वेरी. और ये 2 दिन में आपको इम्प्रूवमेंट महसूस हुआ?
हाँ, बहुत बहुत इम्प्रूवमेंट है.
वेरी वेरी गुड, वेरी वेरी हैप्पी टू नो. थैंक यू.
बहुत, मतलब मैं आपको बता नहीं सकती, इतना उसको थोड़ा अच्छा हुआ.
एक्सपीरियंस तो बहुत ही अच्छा था कि दोनों दिन ऐसे तो बहुत कम समय है, लेकिन जो मेरा प्रॉब्लम था मीन्स नेजल ब्लॉकेज हुआ ना, उसी से तो मेरा मतलब रिलीफ मिला है. मतलब इतना कम समय में रिलीफ मिलेगा वो मैंने सोचा भी नहीं.
आपका ये था प्रॉब्लम?
हाँ, मेरा तो मतलब डिटेक्ट हुआ है पिछले 5 साल से, लेकिन उससे पहले कितने साल से था वो मुझे पता नहीं है. नेजल ब्लॉकेज, नेजल पॉलिप. लेकिन मुझे इतना छोटा छोटा टाइम में जो कल या परसों मैंने किया था, मुझे तो काफी रिलीफ मिला है. इसीलिए मैं और भी उम्मीद रखती हूँ कि किसी को थोड़ा कंटिन्यू करके अगर इससे फ्री हो सकती हो तो.
श्योर. और आपको नींद आई क्या बराबर?
हाँ, नींद मुझे कल और परसों ठीक से आई. नहीं तो ना नेजल ब्लॉकेज के लिए शायद मैं माउथ से इनहेल करती हूँ और नींद खुल जाता है, फिर गला ड्राई हो जाता है. ये सब बीच बीच में होता रहता है, लेकिन कल और परसों मेरा जो नींद था वो कंटिन्यूअस था, मतलब बीच में ब्रेक नहीं हुआ है.
बहुत बढ़िया रहा मैम. मैं थोड़ा सा, मुझे ये डर लग रहा है कि मैं कुछ गलत नहीं कर लूं, इसलिए मैंने बहुत सिंसियरली नहीं किया, फ्रैंकली स्पीकिंग. इसलिए मैं आपसे बात कर रही थी. और मुझे आई एम वेटिंग फॉर टुमारो. आपने जो कहा कि आप एक सेशन लेंगी अलग से, तो मैं प्रॉपर सीख के करना चाहती हूँ. बट जितना मैंने किया उससे मुझे बहुत लाइट लग रहा है, बहुत. आई एम फीलिंग वेरी गुड. और एक कॉन्फिडेंस आ रहा है. जो एक नेगेटिविटी थी, मैं बहुत नेगेटिव थॉट्स, और ये उस पे भी ये काम कर रहे हैं. मुझे ऐसा मैंने फील किया है कि मैं काफी चीजों में पॉजिटिव फील कर रही हूँ.
ओके.
एंड इट्स अ वेरी गुड साइन फॉर मी.
हाँ परमा जी, एक्चुअली मेरा जो अस्थमा जो है वो COPD के स्तर तक पहुंच चुका है.
ओके.
और अभी मेरे लंग्स जो है वो 38% काम कर रहा है.
ओके.
जो पल्मोनरी जो टेस्ट हुए थे मेरे, उसमें मुझे मालूम पड़ा कि मेरे लंग्स जो है वो केवल 38% काम कर रहे हैं अभी. तो दवाइयाँ बहुत ले, लेकिन कोई फायदा हुआ नहीं. फिर आपका देखा मैंने, तो मैंने 2 दिन किया, कल और आज. तो आज मैंने महसूस किया कि जब मैं प्राणायाम कर रहा था तो ओम का उच्चारण करते समय मैं उस जितना मैं ड्यूरेशन चाहता था वो हो नहीं पाता था. लेकिन आज मैंने जो है वो तकरीबन 6 से 7 सेकंड तक ज्यादा ओम का उच्चारण किया है.
वेरी गुड.
एक बार में.
वेरी गुड.
गाने गाते समय भी जो है मुझे कुछ जगह ऐसी होती थी जहां मेरे सांस कम पड़ रहे थे. लेकिन आज मैंने महसूस किया कि मैं उस लाइन को पूरी तरह से अच्छे तरह से ले रहा हूं मैं.
वेरी गुड.
और मेरी आवाज वहां तक जा रही है. तो ये मेरे लिए एक बहुत पॉजिटिव बात थी है कि सिर्फ 2 दिन में मुझे इतना फायदा हुआ है.
ओके.
तो बहुत अच्छा लगा मुझे. तो अब मुझे विश्वास हो गया कि मैं पूरी तरह से ठीक हो जाऊंगा.
हाय, आई एम अर्चना केडिया फ्रॉम अहमदाबाद. I am doing breathing exercise course from 3 months, and I have got benefited a lot from this course, mentally and physically. My sciatica pain and back pain reduced a lot, and my frozen shoulder completely cured. I have become a very positive person, and I don't see any negativity in any situation that comes in my life. I feel very peaceful. I love this course very much, and I wish a lot of people get benefit from this course.
Gradually and slowly I was slipping into depression, insomnia, I couldn't handle the finances, all the paperwork. There was no one to guide me. And then I came across these breathing exercises. And I just joined to learn some exercises and pass my time. But then I realized that breathing exercises was part of my living, because each and every moment we are breathing in and breathing out. And no one had ever taught us how to breathe. But these systematic breathing exercises, they changed me totally. They turned me physically, mentally, emotionally. Physically, I was strong enough. I started going out for my morning walks at the beach. Mentally, I was more in position to hold my emotions and started meditating. And spiritually, I had very positive attitude towards life and why we are born, what are the karmas. That gave me a new direction. I was a very, very happy person, and then I involved very happily in many activities and helping many serious citizens who are like me. They're alone, children are not there, and I became a very happy person. So these breathing exercises have changed my life, and my thanks and gratitude to them. Thank you.
Since I was always interested, I was very keen to join the course. And for me, the most important thing was my sleep quality and my pattern of sleep were not very good. And I always knew mastering of breath would improve not only the quality of life, but it would also help to improve clarity in thinking, bring about efficiency in the way we are working. So I decided to enroll. Not only that, I decided to enroll. Paloma was very gracious enough to allow anybody who wanted to enroll. And 3 of my family members and 2 of my friends enrolled along with me. And every one of them were so happy with the fact that they enrolled. The content that Paloma gave in the first 5 days itself was so enriching. And within 2 days of my practice, my sleep quality and my sleep pattern both improved. I go to sleep soon after finishing my breathing exercises, and I would get up feeling very, very refreshed. So since I observed this change in just 2 days of my breathing practices, I decided to enroll for the further level of program. And not only me, one of my family member and my friend has also enrolled for the program. And I would highly, highly recommend everybody to go for this, because this is an investment for your own life, for your own future. I express my wholehearted gratitude to Paloma for bringing such enriching knowledge right into the comfort of our living room, and for that I'm always extremely grateful. Thank you so much.
I'm having allergic rhinitis and rhinosinusitis since 6 years. I was practicing pranayam, which I have learned from the yoga teacher who was coming at home. I was doing that, the relief was there, but not at the level at the which the 2 day of Tibetan breathing has really made a difference. I'm breathing much better. I'm not using any nasal sprays or salines, which I was using like after 1 hour or something. And I think if I'm able to cure it with this technique, I will literally teach my patients to do that. Because I have seen them using steroids, nebulizers, bronchodilators, and still the symptoms are the same and worsening with the medicines. So I think if I am going to cure myself, I will really help my patients that they can also benefit from it. That's the reason I was like, I wanted to have one-on-one so that I can master it. Only then I can make the other one understand much better. My energy is getting back, because I am very energetic person. I used to do everything on my own, but after having this problem, the energy level had gone really down. बट आफ्टर प्रैक्टिसिंग ऑफ 2 डे आई थिंक मैंने इतना अच्छे से भी नहीं किया है, मतलब मैं आपसे बार बार क्वेश्चन नहीं पूछ रही हूँ कि ऐसे करना है, बट स्टिल माई एनर्जी लेवल्स आर गोइंग अप एंड आई थिंक in 2-3 months of literally like doing it daily, I think it will be much better.
मुझे इतना अच्छा लगा कि मैं एक मिनट भी मिस नहीं कर पाती हूँ आपका क्लास, और आपको देख के और आपका जो समझाने का तरीका है वो ऐसे समझाना है समझा दिया ऐसा नहीं है, हम लोगों को समझ में आता है तब तक आप पेशेंटली उसको बोलते रहते हो आप, और वो जो आप जो बताते हैं वो इतना अच्छा इम्पैक्ट होता है हमारे ऊपर कि ऐसे लगता है कि नहीं ये तो होने ही वाला है अच्छा। इसलिए आज मैंने बोला 1-to-1 है तो आपसे बात करूंगी, और आपसे फेस टू फेस बात करने में एक जो आज मुझे अच्छा लग रहा है कि एक पॉजिटिवनेस जो है, और ऐसे लग रहा है कि इनसे सीखूंगी तो मेरा ये जो है प्रॉब्लम दोनों बड़े वो पक्का जाने वाले हैं।
श्योर, डेफिनेटली
100% जाएंगे, ऐसा लग रहा आपसे बात करने से ही और आपको देखने से ही।
थैंक यू।
इतना पॉजिटिव लगता है मुझे।
My name is Darshana Chauhan. I did my basic course twice and advanced course I'm repeating again. Yeah, taking up this course has been one of the best decisions of my life. I have been addicted to sleeping pills for past 10 years and it seemed I will have to continue. But, however, the breathing exercises and the meditation in these programs have miraculous effect on me. As I speak, I am completely off sleeping pills since past 4 years. Not only that, the quality of my sleep also has improved. I am genuinely thankful to this program for this course for stopping my sleeping pills and giving me the gift of sound sleep. I would recommend this program not only for health issues but also for general health pain. Thank you.
Ganesh Srinivasan, and I'm here to talk about my experience with breathology by Paloma. What I found was that the efficiency increased of my taking breath. Normally, the efficiency is like about 10 or 20%, and it definitely has doubled. So that the efficiency has doubled in the way I breathe, that too even a couple of days itself. And Paloma has got so many A's up her sleeve that it is worthwhile attending her session and even register for her course, because it's so phenomenal, and breath is the main area or reason for your improvement in health. So it not only improves the efficiency of the breathing, it also improves the underlying blood. It purifies the blood and ensures that all the major problems that you face in life are even resolved, or to a greater degree it is diminished, decreased. And how to bring awareness to your own breath so that you breathe deeper, you get more oxygen, and your blood becomes alkaline, and thereby reducing all the problems at the root level itself. I strongly recommend, because I've seen quite a few. I'm a trainer and a coach by myself, and I've experimented with various methodologies.
Hello, I'm Utokshi Writer. I'm a physiotherapist by profession. 3 to 4 years back, I had a health issue, which is I had what is known as the hiatus hernia. Due to this hernia, I used to have a lot of acidity. The lower part of my esophagus showed cells called Barrett cells. These cells are said to be precancerous cells. Almost every endoscopy showed those cells, and I knew that I had to do something about it. I was also advised surgery. After that, I realized that the acidity is not only because of the hernia, but maybe because of my mental makeup, because of the kind of stress I was taking. So I joined this course on the recommendation of one of my students. This course is something which I have been doing since the last 3 to 4 years. After 2 to 3 years of endoscopy showing Barrett's cells, in the year 2019, last when I did my biopsy, not 2019, I think 2018, the last biopsy showed that there were no Barrett's cells in the sample that they collected. My acidity was much less. The tablets I continued to take, but because I was feeling better, I would forget to take my tablets. I was supposed to take a tablespoon of one syrup called Gaviscon before sleeping. Since the last 5 months, I have not taken this syrup. I'm so much better. Besides that, I had other issues. I had a little vitamin B12 deficiency because of which I used to lose balance. After correcting my B12 with the doctor's medication, I continued to do this course, and as I realized that I had the confidence to travel by public transport. I had stopped traveling by public transport in the last so many years, 3 to 4 years. I used to only travel by cab or car. But the confidence that this gave me, the positive thinking that I derived from this course, really renewed my life. I started traveling independently and by public transport. I have really benefited from this course, not only physically, mentally, but also spiritually. I really strongly recommend that this course should be done by everyone.
It was a great experience. I used to take an inhaler every night, but first night only I stopped taking inhaler.
Awesome.
That is a very happy to know about it.
ओके
वेरी हैप्पी।
मैम मैंने जैसे फर्स्ट डे जब आपकी क्लास ली थी उस टाइम मुझे यहाँ पर बहुत हैवी था, ये वाला जो पोर्शन है उस टाइम मुझे लग नहीं रहा था सीरियसली। आई टोल्ड यू कि मुझे कुछ आराम होगा क्योंकि मैं इतना कुछ ट्राई कर चुकी थी ना। तो मैंने जो देखा, जो एलोपैथी, आयुर्वेदा, इवन होम्योपैथी, हर पैथी को मैंने ट्राई किया। तो मैंने जब फर्स्ट डे आपकी क्लास ली, आपने मुझे अपने फादर की जो स्टोरी बताई, उसने मुझे थोड़ा सा सोचने पर मजबूर किया कि जब वो ठीक हो सकते हैं, यार मैं तो फिर भी बहुत बेटर हूँ। तो फिर मैंने सोचा कि चलो मैम की बात पे बिलीव करते हैं। और नेक्स्ट डे मैं मॉर्निंग में, मतलब वैसे मेरे से उठा नहीं जाता था, मुझे लेथार्जिक फील होता था। मैं बस फिर अर्ली मॉर्निंग में उठी, मैंने उठ करके अपनी पूरी एक्सरसाइज की और मुझे बहुत लाइट फील हो रहा था। मतलब एक कॉन्फिडेंस आया कि शायद ये कुछ मिरेकल इसमें है कुछ। तो नेक्स्ट जब मैंने आपकी कल क्लास ली और आपने जो चीजें बताई है ना, आई थिंक मुझे जो ये थाइमस ग्लैंड है, मुझे प्रॉब्लम जो जैसे आप बता रहे थे, मुझे थाइमस ग्लैंड के पास ज्यादा प्रॉब्लम फील हो रही थी। क्यों करें? तो मैं समझ रही, उन चीजों को कर रही थी मैं कोरिलेट, और आप बिलीव नहीं करोगे, मैंने पूरी रात नींद में भी इस एक्सरसाइज को किया है कि मैं ये सोच, बस मुझे ठीक होना है। आपका एक था ना कि नहीं वो अंदर कैसे रहेगा, वो तो उसको तो निकलना ही है, वो तो बीमारी को तो निकलना ही है, वो तो बाहर जाएगी।
हाँ,
तो ये जो आपके वर्ड्स थे ना, मतलब टोटली चेंज किया।
एक्सीलेंट। ठीक है, बहुत बहुत बढ़िया। और बस आज आप तो और भी सीखेंगे, तीसरे क्लास में बहुत सारी आप देखेंगे कि रियली टेक्निक्स कितनी शानदार तरीके से काम करती है।
So ma'am, even before starting the workshop, right, I have come across your advertisement and I felt like I'm surprised, like, can breathing exercises cure my problem? That is like I'm having chronic cough from last 8 months and I have taken around 5 doses of antibiotics and, acid reflux medicine, whatnot. Like I faced multiple issues, but then I'm looking for a solution. That's how where I have come across your advertisement. And, to myself, I thought like, is this the cure? And I started some inhale, exhale to myself. Right from last Saturday, and I felt better. Then I started taking, actually, because I'm working to continue my work, I have to take this levocetirizine medicine because that's what is giving me the relief. And I started taking medicine from last Sunday with the hope that this can cure, because I want to test myself like whether this will work actually or not. And again I started
joining your sessions. Like I am practicing. I have attended yesterday and day before yesterday. I'm practicing. I feel better, but still I don't know how to do that perfectly. But I felt that yes, breathing can help. That is the only way, because in the CT scan I got saying that septal thickening, something in the lungs and all. Right. So I thought there could be a solution, and with the hope that I have registered here to a class. And not only that, my daughter, she is often getting lung infections. She got pneumonia, and the previous year also she got another lung infection. They told mild asthma. I use the medicine for 2 to 3 months, that is inhaler, and I stopped. Now she is doing fine. But I'm in constant fear that because winter is coming, I don't know, right? Because I stopped giving her curd, all the sweets and all, because I cannot see her in that condition, right? So I'm really looking for a solution. Yeah, thank you so much, because it is stopping their growth, and I'm not confident, right? I'm really like something traditional I'm looking, like where I can be confident and I can practice I can do, but I should have that faith also, right? So I'm looking for something like that.
Hello, namaste. Greetings from Vancouver, Canada. My name is Meera Gupta. What I love best about this practice is that it is an experience-based practice. As in science, we are taught to conduct experiments and observe the readings. That is what we do in this practice. We take the breaths and we observe the changes that take place in our body. And I did the same. I observed myself for the past 7 days and the changes that took place in my body. I cannot express enough on its benefits. It has shown me the power of my body, my cells. It was as if the breath was providing the necessary energy for the body. There has not been a moment of lethargicness in the past 7 days. In fact, I got more work done than usual. It was as if all the cells of my body were being charged. I felt intense electric charge on my fingertips. I have never felt this before. I have observed it and experienced it. And this has made strong my belief in the practice. And now I can say for sure, every cell in my body is a complete power plant working for me. I am powerful, and I invite all of you to come and experience this for yourself. Thank you.
Thank you so much. I'm so glad I decided to do the workshop. Right from the first session, my breathing earlier was very shallow, which I was very aware of, but I couldn't correct it. After your tips, I think my breathing is now slowed down. I'm very conscious of my breath. I can feel my chest expanding, and I can feel the amount of air I'm inhaling. It's much more than what it was earlier. So there's a marked difference, and I could easily follow whatever your instruction. And the expansion with every breath, suddenly I've got so conscious of my breath. I'm doing anything, my meditation, my exercise, and I happen to blow out, breathe out through my mouth. So I'm really enjoying it.
My name is Niranjan. I've attended the Tibetan pathology workshop conducted by Paloma Shahji. It's been an amazing experience learning about the Tibetan pathology. During the 3 days course, I've experienced increase in my lung capacity, increase in my energy levels during the day, increase in the quality of sleep at night through the various breathing techniques taught and practiced. Hence, I've decided to take the benefit of the entire Tibetan pathology blueprint course for my lifetime. I am confident that this course will enable me to live my life to the fullest potential without diseases. My gratitude to Paloma Shahji for enlightening me during this workshop. Thank you.
Hi, my name is Nitin Rambia and I stay in Mumbai. I would like to share some of the benefits which I have seen after I started practicing the breathing exercises. Earlier I used to have frequent attacks of cough and cold during the monsoon season. But this year I have not had even a single attack of cough and cold up till now. Nowadays I am having a very sound sleep as my snoring has completely stopped. Even though I have not cut down on my diet, I have been able to reduce my weight by around 3 to 4 kgs. Overall, I feel very fresh and refreshing. I strongly recommend all of you to please enroll for this course and stay fit and healthy. Thank you.
I started doing your exercises, and in these 2 days I felt that today I have not taken any puff or any anti-allergy medicine since now. And yesterday when I did the exercises, I had lots of mucus, sneezing, and running nose, and so I took the medicine. But today it's I think it's completely cleared. And I had allergy with while taking beta blockers and my physiotherapy instruments, that created asthmatic problem, allergic problem into my body. So now I'm thinking ki I have to go further, and I am sure I will be completely cured. And thank you so much, and gratitude to you, ma'am.
हाय, आई एम संतोष करोलिया। आज मैं आप लोगों के साथ में अपना कुछ एक्सपीरियंस शेयर करना चाहती हूँ। मैं जो ब्रीदिंग एक्सरसाइज करती हूँ उसके असीम फ़ायदे हैं। मेरे शोल्डर में दर्द हुआ करता था, बहुत दर्द होता था, वो अभी पूरी तरह से गायब हो चुका है। मैं अपने आप को यंग और एनर्जेटिक फील करती हूँ। मेरी जो सोच पूरी तरह से पॉजिटिव हो गई है। मैं बहुत खुश रहती हूँ और मेरे तो जीने का नज़रिया ही चेंज हो गया है। मैं जब किसी को दूसरे को तकलीफ़ में देखती हूँ तो ऐसा लगता है मैं किस तरह से इसकी हेल्प करूँ, किस तरह से इसकी सारी परेशानी को दूर कर दूँ, और अपनी तरफ से पूरी कोशिश करती हूँ कि इसकी तकलीफ़ दूर हो जाए। और मेरी इच्छा ये है कि जैसे इन ब्रीदिंग एक्सरसाइज से मुझे इतना फ़ायदा हुआ है, मेरी ज़िंदगी बदल गई है, मेरा जीने का नज़रिया बदल गया है, वैसे सबकी ज़िंदगी अच्छी हो जाए, खुशियों से भर जाए, सबकी हेल्थ अच्छी हो जाए और सबका जीवन सार्थक हो जाए जैसे मेरा हो गया है। थैंक यू।
मैम, मैं जस्ट रैंडम मैंने फेसबुक पर देखा कि ये कोई तिबेटियन ब्रीथोलॉजी है, तो मुझे लगा कि नहीं, सीखना चाहिए, क्योंकि सांसें हम गिन कर लाते हैं तो क्यों ना अच्छे से ले इसको। तो इसके मैं बिल्कुल इसके बारे में नहीं जानती थी, बट फर्स्ट मैं क्लास की और आप जब आपने प्रैक्टिस कराया तो मुझे लगा कि कुछ हो रहा है, जो बेटर वाला फीलिंग मैं एक्सप्लेन नहीं कर पा रही थी, बट बेटर वाला फीलिंग। बट मैं बता सकती हूँ, दूसरे दिन जब मैं सुबह उठी हूँ तो एक होता ना कि स्टिफनेस रहता है जॉइंट्स में, क्योंकि मेरा एज में मैम 57 है, तो अब इसलिए एक स्टिफनेस रहता है, बट वो मैम नहीं था। अच्छा। मैं रियली अमेज हो गई कि मुझे नहीं था कि इतना जल्दी रिजल्ट आएगा। और आज भी मैंने सुबह किया और रियली मुझे बहुत अच्छा वाला फीलिंग हुआ। मैं शायद वो उसको वर्ड्स नहीं दे पा रही हूँ, बट मेरा बहुत अच्छा फीलिंग हुआ मैम। थैंक यू सो मच। थैंक यू सो मच।
Yeah, I'm just saying I'm very impressed at your generosity and your kindness to help people. It's really rare. It's very spontaneous, and you don't even think about it. It's like your second nature. I was so touched by when I reached out to you about my friend's son. Your immediate response was it just touched me very much.
Hello, this is Pankaj Shah from Andheri Lokhandwala, Mumbai. I'm here to share my experience, which connects every human being with the Almighty God. It's a course which conducts breathing exercises, affirmations, which help in day to day, I would say minute to minute, I would say second to second, behavioral change. It has made me a calm person. I've become more rational in thinking. I've become more practical in approach towards every aspect of the life. Physically, I'm in much better health. It has helped me. And spiritually, which is the most important aspect which I would highlight, I'm much firm believer of the oneness, the wholeness, and the blessings of not only our spiritual gurus but also the God Almighty. I would strongly recommend for all the people of all ages to at least take one course. At the end of it, I am very sure you will be much better a person, much better a soul,